Do you dream of achieving financial prosperity and success like the legendary investor Warren Buffett? If so, then you're in for a treat. Today, we're delving into the financial wisdom of the Oracle of Omaha, starting with the power of long-term thinking. Warren Buffett is a staunch advocate for patience in investing. He's often quoted saying, "Our favorite holding period is forever." It's a testament to his belief in the strength of staying invested for the long haul. This kind of thinking helps to weather the storm of short-term market fluctuations, aligning your investments with the potential for long-term growth. By adopting this mindset, we can align our investments with long-term growth and avoid short-term market fluctuations. Another key aspect of Warren Buffett's success is understanding the businesses you invest in. Now, this doesn't mean you need to know every detail of a company's operation, but it's crucial to grasp the basics. What does the company do? How does it make money? What's its competitive advantage? And what are its prospects for future growth? Buffett doesn't just look at a company's current profitability. He delves into its fundamentals, studying its balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. He seeks to understand the company's competitive advantage, or economic moat, as he calls it, that protects it from competitors. By thoroughly analyzing these factors, Buffett assesses the intrinsic value of the business. This way, he makes informed decisions based on the intrinsic value of the business rather than short-term market trends. Lastly, and perhaps most importantly, Warren Buffett emphasizes the power of continuous learning. Delving into this, we find that Buffett devotes a significant portion of his day to reading. This voracious appetite for knowledge allows him to broaden his understanding of different industries, market trends, and investment opportunities. But it's not just about quantity, it's about quality as well. Buffett doesn't just skim through information, he deeply engages with it, dissecting complex ideas, connecting the dots, and applying his insights to his investment decisions. This continuous learning isn't a chore for him, it's a lifelong commitment, a passion. And therein lies the lesson for us all. To stay ahead in the ever-evolving world of finance, we must embrace continuous learning. By developing a habit of continuous learning, we can stay ahead of the game and make well-informed decisions. Thank you for joining us today and discovering the secrets behind Warren Buffett's financial success through our exclusive insights. We've explored the power of long-term thinking, understanding the importance of patience, discipline, and the persistence to stay invested. We've also delved into the significance of comprehending your investments by studying a company's fundamentals, competitive advantage, and future prospects. And let's not forget the crucial role of continuous learning, a cornerstone of Buffett's success. The more we expand our knowledge, the better our decisions will be. It's clear that these principles are not just strategies, but a mindset, a way of life. Stay patient, attentive to businesses you invest in, embrace lifelong learning, and watch your financial success unfold. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more valuable content. We appreciate your support.